Nadege Fleurimond, and this is Hot Creole Sausage Recipe. When you're out shopping for the ingredients to create this amazing, authentic Southern dish, it is important that you choose the right items. One of the essential ingredients in making hot Creole sausage is kielbasa. But first, you need to heat up your pot. On a medium heat, heat up a saute pan and place 4 tablespoons of butter. Once your butter has melted, add in your 1 pound of kielbasa sausage. Once you've added your sausage, let it brown for 2 minutes and then add in half a cup of green bell pepper, half a cup of red pepper, and half a cup of green scallions, also known as green onions. Season with half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and for those who like it hot, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Let all your ingredients saute for about 3 to 5 minutes until your sausage are brown, and then your dish is ready to serve. Utilizing essential ingredients such as kielbasa sausage, chili powder, and crushed red pepper, this hot Creole sausage recipe is sure to be a hit at your next potluck event. Enjoy!